Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I'll introduce you to the best digital satellite finder, the GTmedia V8. This powerful device makes satellite installation easier and more precise. So, stay with us for all the details. Let's get started. Product features. Large, high-resolution display. One of the first things you'll notice is its 4.3-inch TFT LCD screen. This high-definition display ensures all information is clear and easy to read whether you're checking signal strength, quality, or analyzing spectrum data. It's especially useful for outdoor work or in bright sunlight where smaller screens usually struggle. Comprehensive satellite standard support. The V8 supports DVB-S2X, DVB-S2, and DVB-S, DVB-T2 and DVB-T, DVB-C and ATSC-C, as well as MPEG-2 and MPEG-4 formats. This makes it compatible with a wide range of satellite systems from free-to-air TV to paid services and even cable networks. It's an all-in-one tool for various broadcast standards. Advanced video decoding. Thanks to H.264 and H.265 hardware decoding, the device can play high-definition video streams smoothly and without lag. This is a big plus when you're fine-tuning your satellite dish and need to check real-time image quality on the spot. Signal measurement and analysis tools. For professional-grade analysis, the GTmedia V8 features a constellation analyzer and spectrum analyzer. The constellation analyzer visually shows signal performance. The spectrum analyzer gives a detailed look at the frequency spectrum, helping you detect interference or signal issues. Perfect for those who need more than just a basic signal bar. Multiple scan modes and auto calculations. You can perform auto, blind, manual, and NIT scans, depending on your needs. It also auto-calculates azimuth and elevation angles, simplifying satellite dish alignment. These features save a lot of time, especially for field technicians. Long-lasting battery and power features. With a 7.4-volt, 4000 mAh Li-ion battery, the V8 runs for hours on a single charge, perfect for outdoor or off-grid installations. The real-time power display and low-power reminder help you manage usage effectively, so you're never caught off guard. Pros. Large, high-residential screen for better visibility. Supports a wide range of satellite and cable standards. Hardware decoding of HD video. Constellation and spectrum analyzers for in-depth diagnostics. Auto scan and angle calculation make setup easier. HDMI and AV ports for external display connections. Long battery life with real-time monitoring. Lightweight and highly portable design. Cons. May have a learning curve for beginners unfamiliar with advanced tools. No Wi-Fi or app support, purely hardware-based. Final thoughts. The GTmedia V8 digital satellite finder is a powerhouse tool for both professionals and advanced users. Its blend of performance, advanced analysis features, and compatibility with multiple standards makes it one of the best choices in the market today. Whether you're setting up satellite TV at home or handling multiple client installations, this device will save you time, improve accuracy, and make troubleshooting much easier. If you're serious about satellite setup, this is the tool you need in your kit. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and tech updates here on BackTech Product. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.